Hi kids! Welcome to S-Moon TV. Let's sing, let's learn, let's play, and
Hello, little yogis. Welcome to our happy yoga time. Yay! Let's do yoga together. First, let's warm up our body. Move your head slowly, left and right. Slowly, slowly. Good job. Let's be a tall tree. Stand on one leg. I'm a big tree. Hands up, grow tall. Sit down like a butterfly. Flap, flap, flap. Good job, little butterfly. Now be a little cat. Meow, meow. And now a happy cow. Moo. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let's stretch like the bright sun. Hello, sun. Hands up high. Stretch, stretch. Now be a happy dog. Woof, woof. Push your hands and legs. Good dog. Lie down and lift your head like a cobra. Hiss. Good job, little cobra. Squat like a frog. Jump, jump. Let's jump slowly. Hop, hop. Be a big elephant trumpet sound. Swing your trunk side to side. Jump like a happy bunny. Jump, jump, jump. Now stretch up high. Spin your arms like a windmill, round and round, slow and faster. Let's walk slowly like a tightrope. I can balance. Arms out, one step at a time. Now dance any way you like. Yay, dancing! Move your body, feel happy. Slow down now, okay? Stretch your arms. Breathe slowly. Let's go on a yoga adventure. Where are we going? To the magic forest. Stand tall like a mountain and very strong. Feet together, hands by your side. Move like a flowing river. Swish, swish, side to side, smooth and slow. Spread your wings. I'm flying. Flap slowly up and down. Open your arms wide. I'm a shining star. Stay still, sparkle. Let's rest our body. Rest time. Knees down, head low, relax. Lie down on your back. I feel sleepy. Hands by your side, close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Out. You did amazing yoga today. I feel calm. Now it's time to sleep. Good night, little yogis. Good night. Sleep well. See you next time. Good morning, little yogis. Good morning. Stretch your arms up, big stretch. Make a happy face. Cheese. Big smile. Relax. Reach to one side like a rainbow. Now the other side. Stand strong like a superhero. I am strong. Hands on hips, chest out. Jump and clap gently. Clap, clap. Great job.
Thank you for doing yoga. I feel happy. Keep smiling all day. Let's get our body ready for school. I'm ready. Stretch up, stretch down. Sit tall like you're in class. Straight back. Good posture makes us strong.
Balance and focus can do it. Eyes forward, stay still. Stretch your fingers. For writing. Open close, good job. Walk with confidence. I feel brave. You're ready for school. Hello, little friends. Hello, let's celebrate with yoga. Stand still like a shining lamp. I glow, hands together, stay calm.
Hold hands and move in a circle. Round and round. Slow steps, smile, clap softly. Clap, clap. Now bow and say thank you. Hands on your heart. I feel peaceful. Happy festival to everyone. Happy, sometimes we feel happy. Sometimes we feel sad. Sad, and that's okay. When we feel upset, I breathe big breath in, big breath out. Shake out the angry feelings. Shake, shake and let them go. Give yourself a hug. Hug, you are safe and loved. Look at your calm face. I feel better, nice and peaceful. Thank you, feelings, thank you, we can be calm again. Welcome to Animal Land. Yay, let's move like animals. Be a strong lion. Roar. Big breath, roar again. Slide like a snake. Hiss slow and smooth. Jump like a monkey. Ooh, ooh, jump softly, land gently. Walk like an elephant. Thump thump swing your trunk. Now be a sleepy cat. Meow curl up and rest.